What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And I think I found my new daily driver. Yeah, it's crazy. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And in today's video, we're going to do it's a quick screen recording. I'm going to give you an idea where I think I'm going to go in terms of my next vehicle. You know, some people had messaged and said maybe you should just get like a military Hummer and kind of kit it out the way you want it. I liked the way you guys were thinking, but you know, I got to go bigger. I got to be more offensive. I have to be, yes. All right, guys, I think I found my new vehicle. Now, I don't know if it's going to be this one directly, but this one is fairly cheap. It's like $4,700. It doesn't look like it's overpriced. The only issue I'm seeing with this here is that it is a convertible. And I don't know if somebody cut the roof away or what. Bill of sale only, no title. Yeah, that's not going to work. But this website has several available. And I'm thinking a deuce and a half would go over really well. This one's not even bad. This one's even converted a little bit. You know, with the regular tires in the back and a bed. I know you're going to say, TK, you're really taking this overkill, but not really. Can you imagine what would happen to the poor son of a bitch that hits this? I mean, it looks like they've already all-wheel drive. I bet you they've already updated their rear end and everything too, right? Super single radiator tires, cab hardtop, heating defrost, 24 volt to 12 volt. Okay, so sweet. PTO driven winch. Dun, dun, dun. Trailer converter. All right. Rubberized bed liner. Rebuilt brake system. Turbo diesel manual 5-speed. 2-speed transfer case. So, I don't know, man. I like the idea of this. You know, granted, I know I'm not going to go much faster than 65 miles an hour and something like this. But I could basically just run over people in this truck. And this is dope. This is super dope. Anyways, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you like the deuce and a half idea, or should I do something? It's either going to be that, or I think I'm going to get like a GMC 6500. I forget what Transformer it was in the movie that had it, but you know what I'm talking about, like a top kick, big boy, or like an F650 with a dually bed. Like, I'm gonna do something crazy because I'm just tired. I need something so big that people can't miss me and they'll never want to hit that vehicle. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.